Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest news and updates that matter to you and your family. Today is October 6th, 2025, and there's a lot happening in the world of US immigration. Big news, just recently, the United States announced sweeping changes to its immigration and green card rules, marking one of the most significant updates in years. These updates, which have been in effect since August, impact nearly everyone hoping to come to the US, whether you're applying for a visa, a green card, or citizenship. The entire system is getting a major reset. Some parts are definitely tougher, with stricter requirements and more paperwork, but there are also new opportunities and support for many people. For green card holders who want to become citizens, you'll now face more challenging tests and additional background checks, so preparation is more important than ever. At the same time, there's new help available for long-term residents who don't have legal papers, offering hope to families who have lived here for years. Why is this happening now? For the first time in a long while, both major political parties have agreed that the old system was broken, too slow, confusing, and often unfair to those who needed it most. The new rules are designed to make the country safer, but also to create a fairer process for immigrants and their families, no matter where they come from. In this video, we'll break down what's changed, from the tougher citizenship tests to the new Dignity Act, and the expanded paths for families and essential workers to stay and thrive in the US. Our goal is to make these complex changes simple and easy to understand, so you can make the best decisions for your future. Remember, knowing the new rules is the very first step to successfully navigating the immigration process and protecting your rights. So, let's dive in together and see exactly what's changed and how it could affect you or your loved ones. Stay tuned as we explore these important updates and what they mean for your journey in America. If you have a green card, you've already taken a big step toward building your life in the United States. And if your dream is to become a US citizen, this message is especially for you, so listen up. The path to citizenship has always required dedication, but now, the process just got even tougher. The civics test, a key part of the application, is now longer and more challenging than before. You'll face deeper, more detailed questions about American history, government, and the rights and responsibilities of citizens. English requirements have also become stricter. You'll need to read, write, and speak at a higher level than in the past, showing you can truly communicate in everyday situations. Expect to write longer, more complex sentences, not just simple phrases. And during your interview, you'll need to have more complex conversations, answering questions, and discussing topics in English with confidence. The goal of these changes is clear: to ensure that new citizens truly understand the country's history, values, and systems, and are ready to participate fully in American life. Why make the process harder? Because citizenship is a big responsibility. It means voting in elections, serving on juries, and helping to shape the nation's future. The government wants every new citizen to be prepared, knowledgeable, and truly connected to American values and traditions. So, start preparing early. Study civics, practice your English skills, and take advantage of community resources to help you succeed. Many libraries and community centers offer free classes, tutoring, and study groups to help you get ready for the new tests. It's a bigger challenge than before, but with dedication, hard work, and the right support, you can absolutely succeed. Don't be discouraged. Thousands of people pass every year, and you can be one of them. The new process is about building stronger, more informed citizens who are ready to contribute to their communities. With effort, determination, and the right preparation, you can reach your goal of becoming a US citizen. So get ready, stay positive, and good luck on your journey to citizenship. It's not just about passing tests. The government is looking closer at your character. The good moral character rule is now stricter. Lying about being a US citizen even once can mean a lifetime ban. Honesty is more important than ever. Background checks are deeper, focusing on national security and your community reputation. They'll review your records, talk to neighbors, and look for a pattern of good behavior. Paying taxes, obeying laws, and being a good neighbor all count. The goal? Ensure new citizens are trustworthy and positive members of society. For most honest people, this won't be a problem. Remember, citizenship is about rights and responsibilities. The process is tougher, but it's about building a better country. Stay honest, stay prepared. That's the path to citizenship. Now, let's talk about the Dignity Act of 2025. a rare bipartisan effort. This sweeping bill aims to fix the immigration system by being tough and compassionate. Its three main goals: secure the border, help undocumented residents, and improve legal immigration. The idea: you can't fix one part without fixing the others. Republicans get stronger border security, Democrats get help for long-term immigrants. By combining both, the Dignity Act hopes to finally break the gridlock. It's a compromise, strong laws and a big heart. The act is a sign of hope for millions, showing politicians can work together. It aims to bring people out of the shadows and create a fairer, more humane system. If passed, it could transform immigration for years to come. It's a big step toward a balanced, modern approach. America can be safe and welcoming at the same time. That's the promise of the Dignity Act. A key part of the Dignity Act is border security. More cameras, sensors, and drones will monitor the border 24/7. The goal: stop illegal crossings and fight crime like drug smuggling. Inside the country, every employer must use E-Verify to check if workers are legal. Companies that break the rules face tougher penalties. The idea: if there are no jobs for undocumented workers, fewer will come illegally. This shifts some responsibility from the border to the workplace. Supporters say these measures will restore trust in the system. Strong enforcement is meant to balance compassion for immigrants already here. It's about order and fairness. Security on one side, opportunity on the other. The Dignity Act offers hope for millions of people living in the United States without legal papers, many of whom have built their lives and families here over years or even decades. Dreamers, those brought to America as children, are given a real chance at legal status. If they choose to go to college, serve honorably in the military, or work and contribute to their communities, they can finally step out of the shadows. Through these efforts, dreamers can earn green cards, which open the door to permanent residency and eventually full U.S. citizenship. This means they can plan for their futures, support their families, and fully participate in American life. For other undocumented residents who have lived in the U.S. for a long time, the Dignity Program provides a separate but important path. If you've lived here for at least 5 years, pass a thorough background check, pay your taxes, and pay a fine, you can qualify for a special permit. This process encourages responsibility and accountability. With this permit, you can live and work legally in the U.S. for 7 years, free from the constant fear of deportation. It brings peace of mind and allows families to stay together. Permit holders can get a driver's license, travel within the country, and work in any job they qualify for, opening up new opportunities for themselves and their loved ones. While this program offers stability and dignity, it does not grant citizenship or the right to vote. Still, it's a major step forward for those who have lived in uncertainty for so long. The Dignity Program recognizes the hard work and contributions of these residents, offering a practical and humane solution to a complex issue. By bringing millions of people into the legal system, the Act helps strengthen communities and the nation as a whole. Dreamers are given a path to citizenship, while other long-term residents gain security, stability, and a real sense of belonging in the country they call home. The Dignity Act is a realistic, fair approach that balances compassion with responsibility, aiming to unite families and communities. That's the heart of the Dignity Act, providing hope, opportunity, and a path forward for millions who are already part of America's story. The Dignity Act also fixes legal immigration. The current system is slow. Families wait decades to reunite. The new law aims to shorten these waits and clear the backlog. Families can be together faster, no more years apart. This change supports strong families and communities. For skilled workers, the law creates more visas and speeds up the process. America needs doctors, engineers, and scientists. Faster, fairer work visas help businesses grow and stay competitive. By improving both family and work immigration, the law encourages legal entry. A clear, efficient system means fewer people try to come illegally. The goal: use the front door, not the back door. This strengthens the economy and society. It's a win for families, workers, and the country. Legal immigration should be fair and fast. That's the vision behind these changes. All these changes show one big idea: balance. The U.S. wants to be both safe and kind. Stricter rules, harder tests, deeper checks, stronger borders protect the country. Compassionate rules, like the Dignity Act, help millions live without fear and keep families together. For years, politics focused on one side or the other. The Dignity Act tries to do both, strong laws and a big heart. This balanced approach is new and significant. It's about fixing a broken system from every angle. Tough where needed, gentle where possible. The goal: a modern, fair immigration system for the 21st century. Protect the country, welcome those who help build it. America's highest ideals are at stake. This is a bold new direction. Balance is the key to real reform. That's what these changes are all about. These new rules are building a new future for immigration in America. Harder citizenship tests mean becoming American is a bigger achievement. The Dignity Act could change millions of lives, bringing people out of the shadows. Legalizing undocumented residents boosts the economy and strengthens communities. Families will be more stable, and children will have brighter futures. Fixing legal immigration keeps America innovative and competitive. A fair, efficient system encourages legal immigration and reflects American values. These changes answer a big question. Who are we as a country? America can be a nation of laws and a nation of immigrants. Security and welcome can go hand in hand. The journey won't be easy, but it's a bold step forward. The new system aims to be fair, orderly, and true to American ideals. The future of immigration starts now.